Hi readers, so you have your note taker, and so the next step is taking your note taker and then you are going to put your notes into a slide, and this is going to be your published piece to share what you learned about each US symbol. And the slides will be graded, so you want to do your best effort on the slides, and I'm going to show you how to do it, the Star Spangled Banner. Okay, so we have the Star Spangled Banner, which is the national anthem. So we have these text boxes, and we need to use our notes and answer each category. So importance of the U.S. symbol. Well, when I look at my notes, I know that the national anthem, the Star Spangled Banner is the national anthem of the United States. It's a symbol of courage and freedom. So that is what I'm going to type in a nice sentence. The Star Spangled Banner is the national anthem for the United States. It is a symbol of courage and freedom. Okay, so now I'm going to go over to this section that reads the symbol represents, and I'm going to get rid of that. And remember, we read that it represents pride and respect for the country, and people sing it at major events. So I am going to type in Star Spangled Banner represents pride and respect for the country, period. And then it says U.S. symbol information. So I am going to type in, one of the notes we took was that Francis Scott Key wrote it. It's a poem. He wrote it after the war of 1812. He wrote it because he wanted to honor the courage of soldiers. So, and then at the bottom I have these 3 facts, fact 1, fact 2, and fact 3. So, you know what I think I'm going to do first? I think I'm going to write down, for fact 1, it was written as a poem. Fact number 2, I'm going to write it became a symbol in 1931, and I misspelled symbol. And I need a 3rd fact. I think I'm going to, for my 3rd fact, it is played often at major events. Okay, so for U.S. symbol information, I think in this box, now that I decided my 3 facts, I think in this box I'm going to type in the fact that Francis Scott Key wrote it to honor the courage of soldiers. Remember, the flag was still standing at the end of the battle. Francis Scott Key wanted to honor the courage of soldiers Marcian's having a hard time typing and spelling at the same time. During the battle, the War of 1812. still standing at the end of the battle. Okay, so what I did was I took my note taker. I took this note taker, and look at that. Remember, we just wrote down quick facts, dates. We wrote it in our own words. I went from this little bit of information. I used my own words, and I made sentences, because remember, this is where you really want to put all the pieces together to really show what you learned about the symbol. So this is what we are expecting you to do, and this part will be graded. All right, good luck everyone.